Baby, all that just flew in my mouth. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to all my beautiful girls and girls out there. Today what we're gonna do is very important. Today's gonna be a hair routine. We're gonna get an inside look on how I get this to pop. We're gonna be focusing on moisturizing after a wash. We're taking care of our hair this year, ladies. I'm not even gonna try to sound like a hypocrite because I was a heat slave for a couple years. I was tough on putting that heat on my hair because I was just really wanting that flat iron look. You know, I was wearing clip-ins for a while. That was tearing my hair out because I was wearing them wrong. Let's not get into it. My hair stayed late. I did not wear my curly hair for, it could be about like 3 years now. Yeah, it's been a very long time. For me to even have curls still to this day, God. I know that people probably don't know what stretching your hair means, and if they do, they don't do it right, or they feel like they don't do it right, you know, stuff like that. So we're gonna get all into it. We're gonna make it do what it do. My head is itching. I ain't been putting it up like I'm supposed to at night no more. I got tired. My scalp is flaking up. Yeah, it's just about that time. So we got to move to the bowl, aka the sink. So follow me. Welcome to the kitchen. We got to get to scrubbing. I have seborrheic dermatitis, so I have to use medicated shampoo. So I use Selsun Blue, then I use Nizoral, and then I'm gonna go in with the Carol's Daughter fortifying shampoo and conditioner. My head itches so bad. Not too much. What your head look like? Oh, okay. That's cold. Ooh, that's cold. I ain't gonna lie, after I got my hair dyed and I opened up the shampoo, I thought it was gonna turn my hair a different color. Okay, so I just finished washing. I'm gonna go in with my conditioner. Nice amount of that there. And what I like to do with this, after I get it coated real good throughout my hair, I like to go through and finger detangle. Oh no, I'm running out of my travel size. Oh, I should have got the big bottle. And I just bend my head over and just start combing through till the tangles come out. I like finger detangling because it's less harsh on these hair strands of mine. And I just go all the way around until I feel that all of my hair is detangled. So for me to be doing a curly hair routine again, I ain't gonna say it's foreign, but baby, I forgot how much hard work this really was. Baby, all that just flew in my mouth. So we are fresh from the bowl. This is what we're working with. You know, got a little curl action going on. I still got a little bit of damage up here where my leave out usually was, but it's not to the point where we can't work with it. So now I'm gonna put my hair in maybe like 4 sections, and we're gonna start putting in products. So I usually take this front section here and section it off first, just because it's where my hair is the loosest, and I'll get around to the other sections. So I'm just gonna take this down the middle. Put one section over here. And another section over here. So I'm gonna take out this bottom portion here, because this is what I'm gonna work with first. And then just section this piece off here. So the products that I'm gonna be using today are the As I Am Curling Gel. And I know this step may be a little different, but I like to use African Shea Butter as a sealant when I put the As I Am products on top. I put a medium amount of the curling gel on my fingers, and I just run that through. I don't too much comb it through because I want my curls to form. So I'm really just applying it to my curls with my fingertips. Since my hair was already detangled when I put the conditioner in my hair has no tangles at the moment, especially because my hair is a bit shorter because I just cut it. Yeah, that's looking good already. So I'm gonna take a nice amount of that shea butter. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna really break it up on my fingertips and just apply to that section. The shea butter really does keep my hair moisturized throughout the entire time I keep the curly style. I was using this way back when I was doing my curly hair routine before I started using heat for real, and I really feel like this was making my hair grow as well. And the way my hair grows, it grows long, but it'll grow out fro wise. It'll get thicker before it grows in length, which is okay. I like a nice fro. So I'm gonna take another section and I'm just gonna repeat the same thing all over my head. I need to apply a little more water. I wish I had a spray bottle. I went and bought everything but that. I'm making sure that every strand is coated that's in my hand, and you'll feel when that starts to happen. I feel like these two products just will have your curls popping, especially that shea butter. I live by that shea butter. And where you can find it in your local beauty supply store. And I'm not talking about Sally's. Did y'all watch the eclipse today? Being that I'm in Arizona, it didn't really do much like it probably did in other places. I mean, it did enough, but I still couldn't even watch it. I was watching it on a live channel. I ain't had no glasses. I really thought that my hair was over with before I cut it. I really had just took some scissors one day and was just like, I'm gonna cut it. I was just like, I'm over it. I'm tired. And it wasn't even that wearing the heat on my hair was just a big struggle, because doing this is more work. But I was just really missing my curly hair because I had a great fro back in college. If I would have left my hair alone and would have just really let it grow out in my natural state, I would have been a natural hair influencer. But it's okay, you know, like I said, it's never a better time than now. At least I got this that I'm working with now, because cutting off that damage was probably the best thing I probably am gonna do this year, aside from my other goals. But when I cut that hair off, I just felt so free. I felt like I was getting back to a girl that I really did miss. So most of my mild damage is up here in the front, where like my leave out would be, or where I would have to touch up every 2 days or so. I'm not even gonna lie, I was touching up my hair every day and I probably shouldn't have been, but it is what it is. Y'all see that? Just wait till it gets stretched. Cause that's what we're really here for. I know that's what you're really here for. One side is complete, we got to move on to the other side. Now I'm one of them girls who got 2 curl patterns in her head. Really 3. I feel like I could be around 3C, 4A, or 4A, 4B, being this side being 4B and this side being 4A. But it always makes my fro look a little different to me. Other people may not notice it, but I definitely do. But it ain't bad. So of course my camera died before I could say what my next step was about to be. But I let my hair air dry, and it's what we're looking like. Don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged. Now I'm gonna take my hair in sections and I'm gonna put it up for the night. I ended up letting my hair air dry for a good little minute. I finished my hair around maybe like 2:30, 3. It's now 7. I done went to go get something to eat and some more. I had to let my batteries charge. Now we just finna take sections and bond it up for the night. I usually like to start from the back doing this, but my hair pretty scrunchy, so I'm gonna just start from the front and work my way back. So for the front of my hair, I take like a regular scrunchie and just place it here. Like that. Then we're gonna go around the rest of my head and do the same thing. And this is how I leave my hair to go to sleep. I sleep like this every night. So I'm gonna come back in the morning, do the takedown process, and finish stretching. Good night. Good evening. It's late in the next day. I woke up late. It's now time to take these down section by section and finish the stretch. So this is a mild stretch. This is how I go to sleep with my hair, even after my hair is stretched. This is how I put my hair up every night. Never fails. So we're just gonna take this section by section, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our flat iron, and not our flat iron, Lord have mercy. We're gonna take our blow dryer, and we're going to stretch at the root. I learned this technique from Natural Rain a long time ago. It was years back. And I've been rocking with it ever since. And I'm really excited to get back to doing it because this is my favorite part of my hair routine. Like there's nothing compares to this part. So I like to break up the section to make smaller sections. And I take my blow dryer, don't talk about it, it's busted up, but we're making it work, so not too much. We're gonna stretch it at the root, but we're going to hold it at the ends. So our heat from our blow dryer does not hit our ends because it's gonna look ratchet. I messed up once and did that and was super mad because I had to revert my hair and start all over again. So we're just gonna take at the section, grab towards the end. I usually keep a high heat setting just so the stretch can actually last. And we're just going to see the difference. It's gonna all come together. Just watch. So breaking that section up again. Remember to hold at the ends. Blow dry session, I usually just play with it until it starts sitting how I like it to sit, which is pretty big. I love big hair. I'm that type of girl where I'm a day 2, day 3, day 4 hair day type of girl. I just love when the hair starts looking older and coming out of uniform. It just looks so great to me. But yeah, this here be the final look. I usually like to take my front pieces and put a pin in it. Not this pin, but since it's just right here in my face, I usually take a different pin and wear my hair back because I don't always like for my hair to be in my face for the sake of the video. We can wear things. But yeah, this is a final look. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I think I'm gonna come back and show my day 2, day 3 hair because that's when it really gets to popping. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you got to stay till the results because I know it's a long process, but we made it here. I take my hair regimen very seriously. Well, I'm back to taking my hair regimen very seriously because I didn't give 2. I hope to see you guys in my next video and y'all be safe out there.